everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Chic for Cheap challenge, which is hosted monthly by Christi Creates. The link to her channel is going to be in the description box as usual, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos that are participating in this challenge. And this is the item I am inspired on to make the frame I'm going to make. I had this frame, which I love the texture, the color. My daughter and I found it in the dumpster. It was broken here, doesn't have the flap, it's broken in this corner. It has the glass, but I don't need it. And I thought it was perfect to recreate the original from Kirkland's. It's not square, but I don't mind. It's just a version of that. And by the way, my daughter and I are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks, and I'm going to leave the link to it in the description box as well. To make the background, I took this piece of foam from Dollar Tree. I made marks, they are separated by 1 inch, and I traced the lines that you see in the original in the background with a white marker, very easily. I made them thin and soft, like in this case. Another one. Oh, sorry. This is not going to be the front, this is just for you to see, so don't mind that there was a problem here. And then I had to transfer the words. So I took the image from the website and with an editor I resized them to fit my background, and I printed them on vellum paper. I'm going to use white transfer paper. I always tell you that if you're going to transfer something on a black surface, using white transfer paper helps a lot because you get the words already in white. So I'm going to do this eyeball in the center. I think it's like here, and this is just to show you how I do it. I'm going to transfer just one word for you to see how this works. And in the meantime, let me tell you that Mom from Mom Does Life Handmade, sorry, invited me to be her co-host for this month's Useful DIY Challenge. It's a real honor for me. I've been waiting to be invited by her for a long time, and now it happened. It's going to take place on Monday, the 21st of June at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here you can see the rules. It's really easy. It's a very, very fun and interesting challenge, so you can start planning, because I'm sure you don't want to miss it. And I want to thank Mom Das for inviting me. Sorry, I can't speak today. So we're almost done. I'm going to transfer just this word, as I said, and hopefully you'll see it in white. Yes! Oh, I forgot to transfer this part. And next I have to paint the words in white, again using this marker. As you can see, this is really, really simple, and I think it looks great. I love this frame. I don't think that the price is really expensive, but of course, having almost all the items at hand and for free, especially the frame. I got it for free. I was not going to pay the Kirkland's price. I like trash to treasure. I like saving things from the landfill, giving them a second chance in life. We donate about 80% of what we get in the dumpsters. We fix what needs to be fixed, and we keep about 10% of what we find for us. We donate the rest, well, as I said, about 80%, and then I sell on my eBay accounts. I have two, some of the items, another 10%. Well, this is what it takes to write the sentiment. And so, voila, here it is finished. I made a sketch to be able to see the size I needed for the pictures and where to place them, and then I made marks on the background to be able to place them. I don't know if you can see the marks in this corner or here. I don't know if you can see them, but well, the marks are there, believe me. Trust me. So in the original, these are holes and the pictures are under those holes. I wanted to make this something simpler and easier, and I liked these little clothespins that I had had for ages, and so I'm going to place the background in the frame to see exactly where I have to adhere the clothespins. Let me close these little flaps, I don't know how you call them, and now I can add the pictures. I will probably change the pictures because this is a frame for home and these pictures are of a trip, but they were the ones I had at hand, and so I'm using them. And I think that the clothespins gives them a more farmhousey look, and as my house is decorated all in farmhouse style, that is what I prefer. So I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to the clothespin on each picture and glue them to the background. This will allow me to change the pictures easily. And get to this one, so I will be able to see where I have to place the last one. And we are almost done with this. It's really quick, and I think the look is beautiful. At least is what I had in mind when I started this project. Here we go. If you like this creation, I hope you will give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Christi for hosting the challenge, and thank you so much to all of you for your constant support. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.